Hi everybody, it's your buddy Brad here, and I just wanted to let you know, in case you weren't aware yet, JWildfire is now on Steam. In case you're not aware, Steam is an online platform used for games, for the most part. Uh, One of the reasons why and Andreas put it on Steam is uh, if people have problems with Java, downloading Java, getting Java installed, it bypasses Java altogether. Um, and plus it also to help build the JWildfire community. Uh, because the more places that have the program, the more it gets out. So it does cost a little bit of money. It's like $11, not really that much. And of course, that helps out Andreas with doing more development. So this is the main page when you go to the link, and I will include the link down below. And you just have to purchase it, and then you do have to install Steam, which is not that difficult. And then when you install Steam, it will be listed here, and you can just launch it here, and it opens same as it would on a regular computer. There is also a little group on Steam that I made. Feel free to join if you want. In the group, I don't think there's a way to really post pictures, but always ask questions, share flame codes, that type of thing. That's about it. Go check out JWildfire on Steam. If you have any questions, please let me know. Until next time, bye.